Hi, my name is Justin Conway. Today I'm going to talk about how to make cells so that they will only accept certain data. And in Excel, this is called data validation. So if you only want people to be able to key in certain entries, in other words, let's say the only available range for a particular product description or item number is between 1,000 and 2,000. So you don't want anybody to be able to type in the number 50. There's a way to do that in Excel. I'll show you how. So you're going to use the validation method, which you can find if you click on the data column up at the top and then click on validate and click on data validation. Now you're going to have a variety of different options. You can have any value allows you to put in any value. You can have only whole numbers, decimals. You can create a list. If you create a list, that basically says that you're going to predefine a list of different items that you want to be basically selected when the person inputs that data into that cell. Date, time, etc. For this example, let's go with whole number. And you can select a minimum and maximum. Let's say we're going to have 20 and 30. For some reason, you can only have between 20 and 30 of whatever it is that you're going to input in this area. So if I try to type 40, enter, it's going to give me an alert, and it's going to say it has to be between 20 and 30. So if we try that again and put in 20, it accepts it. That's how to use data validation to make sure that you can only put certain data into cells in Microsoft Excel. My name is Justin Conway, and I hope that helps.